Ready to transform your progressive track from a collection of sounds into a breathtaking sonic journey that keeps listeners hooked from start to finish. First, let's talk EQ in progressive music. Clarity is key, so sweep through your tracks and cut any muddiness in the low mids, usually around 200 to 500 Hz. Then, gently boost the high frequencies on elements like synths and vocals to add sparkle and air, but remember, less is often more. Next up, compression. Use it subtly on individual tracks to control dynamics and glue elements together. For example, compress drums to give them punch, and vocals to make them sit nicely in the mix. A ratio of 21 or 41 with moderate attack and release times usually works well. Now for the balancing act, start by setting your main elements, like the kick, bass, and lead synth, to a comfortable level. Then, bring in the other instruments, making sure everything has its own space in the mix. Pay attention to panning to create a wide and immersive soundstage. Finally, mastering. Use a mastering EQ to make subtle overall tonal adjustments. A touch of compression can add that final bit of glue, but avoid over-compressing. A limiter will raise the overall loudness to commercial levels. But be careful not to crush the dynamics. Aim for a lux level of around 14 to 12 for streaming platforms, and that's it. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a professional sound progressive mix. Now go make some magic.